Crystals have long been revered for their beauty and energetic properties. Many believe they can influence our lives in profound ways. One area where crystals can be particularly powerful is in attracting wealth and prosperity. Crystals vibrate at specific frequencies. These vibrations can align with the energy of abundance, helping us manifest our financial goals. Think of crystals as tools to amplify our intentions. When we focus our energy on wealth and success while working with crystals, we create a powerful synergy. This synergy can shift our mindset, attract opportunities, and ultimately lead to greater prosperity. Crystals can help us overcome limiting beliefs and embrace a mindset of abundance. Some crystals are particularly well suited for attracting wealth. Citrine, with its vibrant yellow hue, is known as the merchant's stone. It is believed to attract abundance and success in business. Pyrite, also known as fool's gold, is another powerful crystal for prosperity. Its metallic luster symbolizes wealth, and its energy helps manifest financial goals. Green aventurine is often called the stone of opportunity. It is believed to enhance good luck, prosperity, and growth. Clear quartz, with its clarity and high vibrations, is a master amplifier. It can be used to enhance the properties of other crystals, making it a valuable addition to any wealth manifestation practice. Each crystal has unique properties that can support our journey towards financial well-being. By understanding these properties, we can select the crystals that resonate most strongly with our intentions. For example, if you're seeking to attract new opportunities and expand your business, green aventurine would be an excellent choice. If you're looking to increase your income and manifest financial abundance, citrine or pyrite might be more suitable. Section 3. Using crystals for prosperity. There are many ways to incorporate crystals into your daily life for financial prosperity. One simple method is to carry a crystal with you, either in your pocket or purse. This allows you to benefit from its energy throughout the day. Another approach is to place crystals in your workspace or home office. Crystals can be strategically placed near cash registers, computers, or other areas related to your finances. Creating a crystal grid is another powerful technique. This involves arranging multiple crystals in a specific geometric pattern to amplify their energy and focus your intentions. Remember to cleanse your crystals regularly to remove any stagnant energy. Creating a crystal grid is another powerful technique. This involves arranging multiple crystals in a specific geometric pattern to amplify their energy and focus your intentions. Remember to cleanse your crystals regularly to remove any stagnant energy. You can do this by smudging them with sage or palo santo, placing them under running water, or leaving them in the moonlight overnight. Section 4. Meditation and manifestation with crystals. Meditation with crystals can be a profound way to connect with their energy and manifest your financial goals. Find a quiet space where you can relax and focus. Hold the crystal in your hand and visualize your desired outcome. Imagine yourself living a life of abundance and prosperity. Feel the energy of the crystal flowing through you, amplifying your intentions. Affirmations can further enhance your meditation practice. Repeat positive statements about wealth and success, both silently and aloud. By combining meditation, visualization, and affirmations, you create a powerful synergy that can attract wealth and abundance into your life. Consistency is key when working with crystals. Make it a habit to meditate with your crystals regularly, even if it's just for a few minutes each day. Section 5. Attracting wealth into your life. Crystals are not magic wands, but they can be powerful allies in our journey towards financial well-being. They work by amplifying our intentions, shifting our mindset, and attracting opportunities. However, it's important to remember that crystals are just one part of the equation. Our actions and beliefs play a crucial role in manifesting our desires. Combine the power of crystals with hard work, determination, and a positive attitude. Embrace an abundance mindset and believe in your ability to create wealth. Combine the power of crystals with hard work, determination, and a positive attitude. Embrace an abundance mindset and believe in your ability to create wealth. By harnessing the energy of crystals and aligning our actions with our intentions, we can unlock the door to prosperity and create a life of abundance. Crystals can be a source of inspiration and support, reminding us of the limitless possibilities that exist when we open ourselves to the flow of abundance.